Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best spicy apps on your Fire Stick, which you can use totally for free. The whole setup is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you get that app, which is once again called Downloader. But after you got it, it's not actually over yet because we still have to set it up. So to start Downloader, we need to go to Settings. So we click on that button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install known apps. From here, you just have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to a list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, all you have to do is just connect to any server. Let's say they'll connect to Australia right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with the camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your device. There it is. Go to Downloader and wait until the app loads for you. And then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So make sure to click on Home. And now in the search bar, we need to enter the code. So the first code is gonna be 572048. So once again, it's 572048. That's the code that you have to enter. Then click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now, as you can see, the download has started. That shouldn't take too long. Then you click Install and wait until the installation process finishes on your Fire Stick. And after that, don't click on Open yet. Instead, press on Done. So we click on Done and then Delete and Delete. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't have too much of free space anyway. And then, if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, you'll find the app that you just downloaded right here. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. And now, that wasn't the last app for you today. We gotta go back to the loader, and I'll show you how to get a couple more applications, as spicy as this one is. So now, the second code for you is going to be 863078. So once again, it's 863078. Now we click on go and wait until the download starts. You can also click on that link to make the process happen a little bit faster. And now the download has started. So we click install and wait until the app finishes installing on your Fire TV. Then you click on done, as always, to delete those unnecessary installation files from your Fire TV. And now, if you go to a list of apps on your device, which is right here, you open it, and there you'll find the second spicy app that we just downloaded for you. Let's put it up front as well for easy access. And then go back to the loader, and I'll show you one more amazing code for today. So let's erase the previous code. And now, the last code for today is going to be 285356. So once again, 285356. That's the code. Hit that go button and wait until it starts downloading for you. As always, click on that code to make the process a little bit faster. Then you press install and wait until the installation finishes. As always, click done to delete those installation files. And after that, if you go to the list of apps in your Fire TV, you open it, there you'll find the last app that we got for you. So today you got 3 amazing applications for spicy content. Enjoy, and don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. See you next time. Bye bye.